So today we got a few requests asking to show you how to make infused lavender. So the first step in doing that is to pick an oil. And our options here are almond oil, jojoba oil, and apricot. And we're going to use apricot oil for this infusion because it is a very light oil and it is completely unscented, so it will not affect your final scent of lavender. I've created a double boiler with an inch of water in a pan, low heat, and the jar with the lavender buds and the oil inside that double boiler. So you want to keep it there between 2 and 4 hours, low heat. Just keep an eye on the water to make sure it doesn't dry out. We have infused our lavender buds in the oil for about 3 hours. The oil really smells like lavender. It is just a treat for your skin. So I'm going to strain it and then the oil will be ready to use.